Forensic, also known as forensic science, is the application of a scientific principles and technique to the investigation of crime. This multidisciplinary field encompasses a wide range of specialization, including DNA, toxicology, digital forensic, fingerprint, and forensic anthropology, among others. The primary goal of forensic science is to provide objective and reliable evidence that can be used in legal proceedings to establish the facts of a case. The history of forensic science dates back to ancient civilization, but it has significantly evolved with advancement in technology and scientific knowledge. Modern forensic techniques enable the precise identification of substance, the reconstruction of crime scenes, and the analysis of various types of evidence such as biological samples, chemical substance, and digital data. Forensic scientists play a crucial role in the criminal justice system. They collect, preserve, and analyze physical evidence from crime scenes, accidents, and other incidents. The findings can help law enforcement agencies solve crimes, exonerate the innocent, and provide critical information during court trials. Overall, forensic science serves as a bridge between science and law, providing vital tools and insights that aid in the pursuit of justice and the resolution of complex cases.
Evidence theory in forensics. Number one is Locker's exchange principle. This principle states that whenever two objects come into contact with each other, there is a transfer of material. Number two is individualization. Forensic scientists strive to individualize evidence, linking it uniquely to a specific person or source. Number three is chain of custody. This refers to the chronological documentation of the possession, control, transfer, analysis, and disposition of physical and electronic evidence. Number four is class characteristics versus individual characteristics. Forensic scientists distinguish between these to draw conclusions about evidence. Number five is evidence preservation. Number six is expert testimony. Forensic scientists may provide expert testimony in court based on their analysis of evidence. The last one is probative value. This refers to the relevance or significance of evidence in establishing facts that are important to a case.
Now we add example of forensics, which is we have three: carbon dot powders, artificial intelligence, and nanotechnology. For carbon dot powders, in order to analyze numerous crime scenes, fingerprints are necessary. Still, there are a number of reasons why it could be difficult to notice. So at one where such as high toxicity, low contrast, or low sensitivity. Researchers have created a powder called fluorescent carbon dot that can be placed on fingerprint to make them glow when exposed to UV light, which make fingerprints analysis much simpler. Fingerprints will light orange, yellow, or red with this new software. For artificial intelligence is somewhat new to forensic science, despite being utilized for decades in many other professions. The main reason for this is that the analysis and all the evidence need to be held up in court. But thanks to recent development, artificial intelligence may now be effectively used for all forensic aspects of a criminal case. While digital forensic is in the field in which artificial intelligence is most frequently applied, other applications for AI include crime scenes analysis, fingerprint data comparison, photo comparison analysis, and more. And for nanotechnology, the forensic science has started to incorporate molecular and atomic technology. Scientists can gain previously unattainable insight by analyzing forensic material at this minuscule scale. Explosive, biological pathogens, and illegal drugs are all being investigated at the molecular level using nanosensors. In particular, this past year has seen scientists make progress by analyzing the existence of polymer and carbon-based nanomaterials to help investigators to make determination. And for the advantage of forensics, the first one is high pay rate and diverse job opportunities. You can have a variety of career alternatives and a good salary rate as a forensic scientist. An average forensic scientist makes $61,000 annually. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, there will be a 16% increase in forensic scientists' employment prospect by 2030. Second is community impact and safety implication. For maintaining community safety and the integrity of the legal systems are important tasks for forensic scientists. As part of your involvement, you also actively contribute to the understanding of the crime scene by displaying biological evidence items. A family that a crime has harmed many may find consolation in knowing why it happened. In addition to perhaps increasing job happiness, this can provide one a strong sense of accomplishment. And the last one is to enjoy a variety of subspecialties. Since forensic encompasses a wide range of science, you can select from a variety of specialization and career paths. Medical examination, forensic chemistry, and forensic toxicology are examples of possible subspecialties in the subjects of forensics. Additionally, forensics is a flexible field that lets you work in private testing labs, medical laboratories, or state or local government agencies.
Disadvantage for forensic. Forensic scientists often work in challenging environments that come with their own set of disadvantages. For example, work environment. Forensic scientists frequently handle dangerous substances such as chemicals, biological samples, and other hazard materials. This exposure requires strict safety protocols and can pose health risks if not managed properly. Second, subject. Forensic science education includes extensive laboratory work, which can be time consuming and physical demanding. Students must develop proficiency in various laboratory techniques and protocols. And the last one, work hours can impact on health. This is because extended and irregular hours can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to chronic sleep deprivation. This can result in a range of health issues, including weakened immune system, increased stress level, and greater risk of burnout. And this is for the graphics. The first picture is where forensics taking a pictures in a crime scene as an evidence, and the third picture is investigating the corpse to find out the culprit.
In conclusion, forensic chemistry is an essential component of modern forensic science, which is providing critical scientific analysis that aids in the investigation, resolution of criminal case. Its also impact on the legal system underscores the importance of future scientific methodology, continual technological advancement, and ethical practice in the pursuit of justice. Thus, numerous uh, Thus, numerous analytical methods borrowed from chemistry and physics, such as various spectroscopy techniques and electrochemistry, which have received tremendous applications in sub-areas of forensic science. For example, analysis of various biomarkers found in biofluids at a crime scene, which is it's particularly based on immunoassay and multi-enzyme biocatalytic reactions, which is in that we have progressing toward practical applications.